Hi everyone, since today is the 19th of January, we decided to come and meet up with the Deputy CEO, that is the Chief Electoral Officer, Prajakta Goltekar. She was very cooperative in listening to our queries. If you can see, we've written down a list of issues that we've been hearing from day one that we put out the videos, and since today was the last day, and a lot of the Goans who are working abroad and who have received a lot of notices or who have been absent, because the BLO has reached their place and they have not been there, they've been facing a lot of inconvenience. So to solve that and to have a proper clarity how we can help every voter of Goa to make sure that all their names are there in the electoral roll for the coming election. We've realized that the Aadhaar card has been having a problem for people who are filling in Form 6A internationally, due to which they can't directly log into and fill up their forms if their names are deleted. So now there's a query which we put across, and the solution is, in case if you cannot do it, you can send us a hard copy through a courier to your ERO numbers which can be listed. You have to log on to the website and click on this link below, and you can get the details of your ERO, and hard copy documents can be sent. And then you'll receive a tracking number so that you can track the status of your new voters card. We've also addressed the issue when we are filling up Form 6A that the CAPTCHA is not getting accepted due to the congestion that is happening, that people are trying to sign in. So please make sure we've addressed this issue. The IT department is going to check on this and they'll revert back quickly. So don't worry if your name doesn't come out in the February list. It will definitely come out on 1st of April. We've also brought it to the notice of Ms. Prajakta that when you click on to 6A form, if you're a voter who's been deleted because you are absent, there's no option given on top when you click there. It should say new voter or another pop-up box saying that either due to whatever, like how it is in Form 6 when you fill up. Also, we've raised a query in regards to family members who have shifted their places. Say like if my mother has shifted her place and they are asking for birth certificate, and say for example if my mother doesn't have the birth certificate, then any of the documents which are listed below can be submitted. It is not mandatory that you have to submit a birth certificate. You can submit any one of these documents to any of the BLOs. Many complaints have been coming that they cannot get their BLO's number, where you can directly click on these links and you can book a call with your BLO from that particular constituency once you put in your EPIC number. And if you all have any queries, I'm still listing our numbers down below. So thank you to all the citizens who reached out to us. We are there to help you, to make your life easier, and also to make sure that your names are there on the voters list.